Okay, hi everyone. So let's continue science chapter 2 form 4 um, section A objective question. So number 3, yeah, the central nervous system consists of the brain wholly, option A brain wholly, B spinal cord wholly, C spinal cord and the nervous, D the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, so before you want to answer the question, you need to underline the keyword is central nervous system. Central nervous system. Okay, the word central nervous system. Okay, so the central nervous system consists of, okay, so let's check the answer. Okay, A, the brain wholly, the central nervous system is not only a brain. So brain is correct, but it's not only brain, it's another one. So A is out. B, the spinal cord wholly, spinal cord is correct, but it's not wholly, it's another one. So it's wrong. Another thing also. Central is not wholly a spinal cord, not wholly a brain wholly. It's another thing also. Okay, C, the spinal cord and the nerve. The spinal cord is correct and it's not nerve. Okay, it's not nerve, it's wrong. So C is out. D, the brain and the spinal cord is definitely the right answer. Okay, the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. So the answer is D. Okay, you need to remember the word, the central nervous system is central nervous system. You need to remember is the brain and the spinal cord. Sorry, brain and the spinal cord. So when spinal cord. So whenever they asking the central nervous system, you need to remember that the central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, these are okay. So the answer is D, the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Which are the following parts of the okay, this one is the part of the neuron received impulse from other cells. Option A cell body, B axon, C dendrite, D myelin sheath. Okay, so what are the answer? Okay, so before you want to answer, you need to remember, you need to underline the keyword. Okay, the keyword in here, they're asking part of the neuron receive impulse from other cell. The main keyword is the other cell. Okay, the main keyword is other cell, and another keyword, part of the neuron receive impulse. These are the keywords. Okay, they're asking which one for a part of the neuron receive impulse from other cell. Okay, let's go to the options. A, cell body. Cell body is definitely wrong. It's not. It's it's not receive impulse from other cell. It's only receive on one cell. So A is out. B, axon. Okay, you need okay. B, axon. Okay, axon is not receive impulse from other cell. It's definitely wrong. B is out. C, dendrite. Dendrite is a part of neuron receive impulse from other cells. So dendrite is correct answer. D, myelin sheath is definitely wrong. It's not receive impulse from other cell. It's not suitable from the other cell also. It's not suitable answer. So the best answer and the suitable answer is C, dendrite. Okay, so students need to know what is cell body, what is axon, what is a dendrite, and what is myelin sheath. So they need to know the meaning of each of the meaning of the part of the neurons. Students need to know. Okay, so let's go to the section B. Let's go to section B, subjective questions. I'm sorry, I just told you section B. It's not section B, section A. Okay, so let's go to section A, structure question. Number 1, Diagram 1 shows the path of a nerve impulse. Part of the nerve impulse, impulse. Okay. Diagram 1 shows the pathway of the nerve impulse. So these are the diagrams. So look at the diagram. So these are the diagram. So these are the diagram. So this is okay, this is taco. Okay, this is the taco. Okay, this is taco. It's a food, taco. And this one S is referred to eye and also eye. So T is showing arrow. Here is this is a brain. This is a brain. Okay. Okay, this one they show is the system X. This one U is using showing an arrow. They say system W. Here V. This is a taco. So is the person is holding a taco. Okay. So these are the diagrams about the pathway of nerve impulse. Okay, let's go to question number 1. Name neurons T and neuron U. So what are the neuron of T and U? T and U. What are the neuron T and U? Okay, you have studied about the neuron. There are 3 types of neuron. 3 types of neuron. They are sensory. They are sensory neuron. That's right. They are sensory. There are 3 types. They are sensory neuron, relay neuron, motor neuron. Okay, motor neuron. So they are asking name neuron T and U, neuron U. So what are the neuron here? So look at here. They're showing a taco here. It's a food, and also they're showing eyes, and then you're asking what is the T and what is the U. Okay, so the T. Okay, the T is referring is the sensory neuron. So you need to, okay, T is a sensory neuron. Okay, T is referring is sensory neuron. Okay, and U, how about U? U is showing a brain here. It says system W, X. So in here U, they're showing system W. So what are the U here? The U referred to a motor neuron. Motor neuron. Okay, motor neuron. Okay, so these are the answer for the A. Okay, let's go to the question number B. Question number B. Which system is the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system? Okay, so these are the question number B. They are asking which system, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So let's go to number 1 here, central nervous system. So what is the central nervous system? So let's look at the small reference for you. Okay, central nervous system, this says consists of brain and spinal cord. So here peripheral nervous system, somatic nervous and autonomic nervous system. So this is a small reference for you to help you to answer the question. Okay, which system is the central nervous system? So which system for the central nervous system is X. Okay, is X. Why is the central nervous is X? Because it's referring this system is referring the brain and is referring the spinal cord in here. So that means it's definitely the central nervous system is X. Here, let's go to peripheral nervous system. So what are the peripheral nervous system in here? Here, peripheral nervous system is a W. Why is a W? Because it's referring is what here? Okay, system W. This is not the system W is referring why? Because is referring the somatic nervous system, nervous and autonomic nervous system. So that means it's a system. W is parasympathetic nervous system is a W. So this is the answer for the number 1B. So let's go to okay, that's all from me. I hope you will understand about the diagram in here, about 1A and 1B in here. So don't forget to watch another video of chapter 2 for body coordination section A, yeah? number 1. So structure question. So I hope it will helpful for you. So thank you.